Okay, in order to understand algebra, we need to understand some of the terminology better. We know, based on our junior school history, these signs are our basic operations: plus, minus, times, and divide. I'm sure you guessed those as I went through them. So now we also have other symbols that have crept in as we've got older and gone up the grades. We also have to remember what they're called with the English language when we refer to them. A number with a 2 exponent is called a square. A number with a 3 is called a cube. Okay. Then we also have square root. But we also have cube root, and it looks different, and I'll show you how it looks different. It's got a little 3 outside here. So this is cube root, and this one is square root. This is cubed and squared. Okay, just remember those. Now we also have things that are unknown numbers, and those we call variables. And they're usually alphabetical letters. I mean, here's some examples of them. I'm sure you've seen X, Y, and Z, and A, B, and C, and they can be anything in the alphabet. You can have P, Q, and R. You can have any letter you pick. And then you will also see sometimes the letter and the number are written side by side. And do you know what that means? It means 2 times X. There's a silent times. And you do not have to write it like this. It's not necessary to write it like that. It's better to write it like that. It just saves you time in tests and exams. And everybody who reads your work knows that there's a silent times in between. Okay, so now that you've got those home truths, it's laid the foundation for us to continue with your algebra playlist. Please subscribe to my channel. All of these little details are put into small, short, power-packed videos from grade 1 up to grade 10. And I want you to grasp these so that you're never faced with anything you don't understand. Subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up to date with all of the little home truths that are shared here.